Hi there, I'm Coach Caroline Doyle. Are you struggling with LinkedIn? Are you having an appointment with LinkedIn? Right now, if you're not having appointments, you're missing the boat. In 2023, LinkedIn should be part of your strategy. If you're a business owner, you're in sales, you're a financial advisor, insurance agent. This is a non-negotiable. So this Friday, if you're not having an appointment, join us this Friday for a workshop. 2 hours that you will have messages that works. Just today, one of my clients got 8 requests to get an appointment from LinkedIn just today. 8 requests. So what about you today? How many appointments did you get? Right now on my side, I'm on a point that I'm having every 2.8 messages that I'm sending, I'm having 1 appointment. So you will learn the right recipe. Those who are my clients, you will get new messages, new sequences. We build something that it's like going to the second and third level. This is what you need for this year. So join us, limited spot this Friday, 1 o'clock. If you cannot join, you will have access to the replay. And of course, you will have the script. You will have those workbook. If you still say I somewhere in your LinkedIn, you're still talking about how you can help them, you're missing the boat. You're missing the boat. So join us to learn this and to get a result. And you will have fun this Friday afternoon. So the registration link is below. Register, limited spot. See you Friday. Bye-bye.